Hello, my name is Mirka Cremo and I'm here to present my final project portfolio website for Web 102. For this project, I chose Weebly.com. It is a powerful free website builder with beautiful themes created by top designers. This website has an easy-to-use tools such as Weebly's drag and drop website builder. Content elements like text, photos, maps, and videos are added to the website by simply dragging and dropping them into place. Text is edited just like in a word processor. Building website is done in real time, right from the web browser. There's absolutely nothing to install and no upgrades to worry about. Weebly offers a wide range of free, professionally designed website templates, from ultra-modern minimalist to bold and classic. You can choose professional version website to create portfolio sites if you have no plans to sell online, or business website if you plan to sell items or services and to accept reservations or bookings. My portfolio here is simple, classy, and professional. My homepage starts with heading and my professional headshot. Below is my contact information, my email address, phone number, address, as well as the social icons for Facebook, LinkedIn, and email. Those social icons are very handy for people to access my Facebook business page, LinkedIn, or to send me an email. So right here, Facebook account, LinkedIn, or then directly email. And then below is one of my favorite quotes by Eleanor Roosevelt. Second page is my education page. Here I inserted HAC's logo and described the curriculum of the business degree. And then I also inserted a logo of the aesthetic school I attended, together with a brief description. Third page, work experience. Here I inserted some colorful images with job descriptions and my accomplishments from various jobs, as well as a flyer explaining what is an au pair, to talk a little bit about my business, again with all my contact information listed below. Then fourth page is my printable resume. So this has my contact information, education, skills and abilities, work and experience, as well as highlights. And then all the way here on the bottom is a link to click to download the resume to print. After this comes interactive resume. Here I inserted buttons with links to my phone number and email address right on the top. I love it, especially the phone. You can click and then call directly. It makes it easy. Below is job history with links to website of my employers. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Opens in a new window, and then coming back to it after is education with link to HAC, also link to business degree and program requirements. And then there is a link to a file with the list of classes I have already taken and their description. So Harrisburg Area Community College. Here is a link to the Business Associate's degree description. And then classes already taken. Downloads a file for you to open. And then the last page is my contact page. Again, I inserted a small photo of myself with a short message and then a form to fill. And then once again, I included a button to call me directly, as well as for a Facebook and LinkedIn account to connect on the social media platforms. And call now button 2 in case you can wait to talk to me. And so I've learned quite a bit from creating this. What I would do differently is I would love to include some of my work, but unfortunately I haven't saved any. So I learned to try to save my work for future. And I also learned web design is very time consuming and needs a lot of patience. So I hope you enjoy my portfolio and I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Thank you so much for your time.